Hey, this is Susan from SmokerGrillGirl.com, and what we're doing is we're going to be grilling some burgers today on the Pit Boss 820 Pro Series. And what we do is we actually have the temperature at 450, so we're not going to be smoking the burgers today, we're going to actually be grilling them. So we're going to open the lid and put the burgers on the grill for 2 minutes on each side. So opening the lid, we're going to add the burgers on the grill. So we're spraying it with some type of spray to prevent prevent them from sticking to the grill. And we're just placing them on there for 2 minutes on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and close the grill. And we're just going to let them grill for 2 minutes on each side. So we actually set the timer on the phone to 2 minutes so that we can set for 450. And we're actually we don't like our burgers too well done, so we're going to be flipping them on each side. So you can see that it's actually smoking the burgers. And so we're just waiting for 2 minutes to go by so that we can flip them. And you see the smoke, and it's not just because it's cold outside, it's actually because they're cooking, because right now it's Memorial Day and it's actually like 70 some degrees out here today. So you can see the smoke coming out of the smokestack. It's actually pretty cool. So how much longer do we have left? Let's see. Oh, time to flip them. All right, so we're going to open the grill and we're going to flip them. Okay, so now we're going to close the grill and we're going to reset the timer for another 2 minutes. And you can see when I opened the grill that they actually had grill marks. And it's pretty cool the way the porcelain grills actually leave a grill mark on them. And you don't actually have to do anything special to leave those grill marks on your burger. It's actually pretty cool. And it's just smoking. Grilling burgers on the Pit Boss actually isn't very hard. It's very easy to do. Now, if you wanted to smoke them, you would probably cook them at a lower temperature. But we're just grilling. Like I said, you can actually use the grill to do all kinds of stuff instead of just smoking.